Hey guys, I just died in Subway Surfer. Okay,
It's,
Tammy
it's Malachi Bird and
Tammy
Tammy Albert.
Yeah.
This time he's gonna be playing the game. We're switching it up. Oh,
Yeah. See, Malachi.
Sorry. I wanted to listen.
Whoever hates Subway Surfers,
Look at this.
it's not my game. It's Malachi's. So
I didn't pick it.
hey, you're the one who downloaded it.
Yeah, because I wanted to play it.
I know it's really fun for me. So we were just playing some
1 hour later. This Black Ops game ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, we were playing Black Ops 1. If you guys want to see a video on it,
we could gladly do it.
Yeah, just comment on this video, COD 1. Comment on this video, COD 1, and then boom, we'll play it. That easy.
Oh, Black Ops.
Yeah, Black Ops 1.
Black Ops 1.
Savage.
Do you know the way?
No, I do not know the way.
Of course you do not.
Well, I kind of do because I have Google Maps.
Alright.
Okay, so, yeah. Wait! Yeet! And whoever commented on one of Malachi's videos, you just gotta eat it, dude. I've checked out your channel.
Yeah. Know what it is and know what it needs more? It needs more. Yeet! Oh.
Yeet! What happened? Win!
No.
We spelled win because we're not idiots.
Win.
And
You
I
got
died.
smack. Smack.
Tap to open. I got a beanie!
It's almost dead.
Ah, frick, guys.
Not the end of it here, sir.
No.
Goodbye.
Only a little I'll remember. Because I care about
the
you.
ending is just gonna be like, so where's it at? And that's it. It's gonna be over like,
Yeah.
hey, so I can't believe it.
Yeah. So when I die, that means we're gonna end the video. I'm sorry for this short video.
Because I forgot to put my phone on the charger. Sorry.
And there's a stupid ad.
No!
And if you want to check out the app we're using, it's called Game Screen Recorder. Go check it out. Really good app.
If you want to be a good YouTuber. A good
But, okay.
Yeah.
This will never do. This app, it will never do.
Like that app you're playing right now.
Not Game Screen Recorder. Game Screen Recorder, you need to sponsor us.
Yes, please.
We need.
Like our family.
I'm
gonna do missions. Don't judge me. Wait. Mission select.
Oh yeah, we got coins. But guys,
I'm gonna do a good mission.
guys, I'm so sorry we have to end the video here. Bye. Subscribe to Tammy Albert.
Sure. Oh, now I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to this man in Call of Duty. Anyway, bye bye.
Tammy Albert.
How do you end
Subscribe
this?
to Tammy.